In this video, we'll show you how to use cloud phones to run CapCut. Let's walk through it step by step. This is your Multilogin dashboard. Here you will connect and manage all your cloud phones. Multilogin provides real Android phones that run in the cloud. You can use them to manage multiple CapCut accounts, keeping each account completely separate for template creation and monetization. Let's set up your first phone. Click the Create button. Give your profile a name. Then pick how many phones you want to set up. Each one will be its own separate device. Select your use case and add an icon so your profiles are easy to find. Use tags to label them by project, client, or content type. Now let's add a proxy. This gives each phone its own IP address. Select Multilogin as your proxy provider. Pick the country or city you want your phone to connect from. We have over 150 locations to choose from. Choose a phone brand and model from the list. These are real devices running in the cloud, so everything looks and works exactly as on a physical phone. Click Create to save your setup. Press the play button to launch your cloud phone. Your phone is ready. You can tap, scroll, and use it just like a normal Android phone, right from your computer. On the side, you'll find useful tools. You can upload your video files directly to the cloud phone from your computer. This makes it easy to bring in footage and start editing right away. Click the Apps icon to open the App Store. Search for CapCut and install it. Once it's installed, open CapCut from your app menu. Log in and you're ready to go. Upload your videos, edit your content, and manage all your projects from one place. With Multilogin cloud phones, you can run CapCut, work with your templates, monetize them, and scale. Check the link in the description to get started.